Nation, what up? I've been here, man. Been here with another one, man. Y'all already know the lingo. Go ahead, man, and hit that subscribe button, man. Please consider hitting that subscribe button. Also, consider, man, liking, man. Liking the videos, man. I think we finna turn this thing up a notch because, yeah, man. Which I think I'll give. I don't know. I'll put that in a video or something, man. Talking about, you know, what's going on with me as far as the YouTube content and all that good stuff. It ain't nothing bad. It's just, you know, I gotta make a change as far as what I'm doing. Which will only be better for y'all. You know what I'm saying? It'll only be better for y'all because, I mean, you know, y'all ain't gonna feel like y'all being deprived. Like it's really gonna be a upgrade type deal. Man, that folk got some real. That boy got some real music in that thing, man. Cause I can hear him way over here. Hold on. Yo, yeah, we back, man. So, yeah, end up having a phone. I got a phone call, man. After I told y'all to hold on, so after that, I went down and kicked it with my dog J-Rock for a minute, man. Today is his birthday. Yeah, what I was really trying to say was, you know what I'm saying, like, I think I'm gonna give it a shot. It's just doing, I'm gonna try to do, don't hold me to it, but I'm gonna try to just vlog just every day, just whatever going on, I'm gonna capture it, you know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying, I know y'all come for MayRose, I know y'all come for stuff like that, man, but it might be some MayRose content, man. It might be some, it might just be anything, man. You know what I'm saying? So, it might be some Jeep content, might be whatever. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna try to start doing that, and then just uploading them, and then have them come when they, you know what I'm saying? Have them come when, you know, whenever I drop them or whatever. What I did do though, you know what I'm saying, as an update, what I did do, I did go ahead and order, man, a new sending unit and fuel pump for MayRose. Being that I done changed everything, I've changed everything on the car, every sensor on the car. Like that really just leads me to one thing, because like I said, when the car stalls, it's like it runs out of gas. So it's running out of gas. Like this giving me the impression that it's running out of gas. So, and also with that being said, I think my wire, the wire that I have coming from the fuel pump, the one that's powering the fuel pump, I think it's too small. I think it's like a 16 gauge or something like that. So I'm finna move that up, and next week I'm gonna order yeah, it's crazy because he hears the garage opening now, so he know when the garage opens somebody coming in, so that's why he doing that. But yeah, what was I saying? Oh yeah, next week I will be ordering a new harness, man. So be on the lookout for that. Hopefully that solves my transmission problem, because the transmission is doing what it's doing, but the last time it was doing that, I could smell like burnt transmission fluid. Now it's doing that. No, even with me driving it the way that I drive it, there's no burning smell, and transmission fluid is still, know what I'm saying, red looking. It's not burnt looking. It's not dark. So I'm not sure what's up with that. But I'm gonna try. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully when I order this harness, I hope it's the harness, being that the harness was already giving me problems anyway. Will you hush? You'll be alright. Hush. Nobody wanna hear it. Go watch TV. What you want? You want a snack? You want a snack? Give him something. Give him some chips or something. Ask your friend to give you some chips. Where your juice cup? Ah, don't do it. You finna give you some chips. Chill out. Yeah, man, the harness had already been giving me problems. You get what you pay for. It lasted a good year, I guess, and then it started giving me problems. Well, now, actually, it was giving me problems from the get-go. I just didn't know what was going on. Like, it was running my battery down, and I didn't know why. Till I just figured that out, what, a couple months ago. I think I told y'all. So, yeah, man, I'm gonna order me a new harness. I'm really, at this point, I don't think I'm gonna drive it no more. Yeah, like, I might come out here and let it run until it run out of gas, so I can so the tank won't be so heavy. Cause I don't have I ain't got no, that little suction thing that I had. I don't even want to deal with it. So, or I may just go and buy a new one. I don't know, but whatever, it is what it is. I'm really just getting ready for Florida now at this point. I'm not even worried about nothing else. So, yeah, that's where we at, man. So, hopefully, man, I can squeeze out some daily vlogs for y'all, man. If not some daily vlogs, man, a lot more vlogs than what y'all getting. Man, we got plenty of stuff coming for the Jeep. Got some upgrade coming for the Jeep. First, I think I'm gonna get my dog EJ over here, man, so we can wax the Jeep, man. Wax the Jeep, see if we can bring this paint out a little bit. Cause y'all can see, man, you know, the watermarks and stuff sitting on it and all that good stuff. So, see if I can do that. And man, we got some more little upgrade stuff coming, man. Cause she got invited to a meet, but we didn't go because it was kind of conflicting. It was kind of conflicting in the schedule, so. But yeah, we definitely got some stuff coming for that, man. For the Jeep, definitely. Might change these big bulky mirrors out. I ain't sure. Whatever she wanna do, man, we gonna do it. So, what else? Definitely got some upgrades coming up under the hood. Definitely. Yeah, y'all know. We definitely finna do something under the hood. Might not be, it ain't gonna be nothing major. Like, it ain't gonna be nothing crazy, but it's gonna definitely be, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna add what it needs to add, you know what I mean? So, yeah. We'll get that poppin', man. We might add some stuff, might take away some stuff, I don't know. Y'all just gotta stay tuned, man. Y'all just gotta stay tuned. So, we finna put just as much time in Big Berry that we put in MayRose. So, y'all be on the lookout for that. Like I said, ordering the harness next week. Hopefully everything cool, man, so we can go to Florida and have fun. Which I'm gonna go to Florida and have fun regardless. Once I order my new harness, I'm going straight to the air guy so he can go ahead and hook the air up, charge that up, and what else? Cause I can't have baby in here sweating, man. So I'll do that. I think that's about it, man. I had talked to my dog person, man. Shout out to 7-8 shit, but man, shout out to 7-8 Mafia, man. 7-8 Mafia, big shout out, man. You know what I'm saying? Cause a lot of y'all boys over here, man, supporting me or whatever. So I appreciate that. How to him, man. I got this new backpack, man. I got my laptop in there. I can plug my pocket juice up and it'll charge my stuff. all that good stuff right there, man. So I'll probably do a review on that one of these good days. Like I said, man, I'm gonna try to do daily vlogs. Well, I'm gonna try to try to do daily vlog. I'm just gonna record, man. I'm just gonna let the camera go. I'm just gonna record. So also with that being said, man, please please go, man, subscribe, man. Life for Ash and B, man. Me and my wife's channel, man. We haven't been posting, but we got some stuff coming. We got a lot of stuff coming. We got the wedding coming. We got more DIY stuff. And I think she finna start vlogging too, cause she asked me about it the other day. She was like, "Baby, you want me to do something?" So I think she about to start getting the hang of it or doing it. So yeah, man. So y'all will see her on her journey. You know what I'm saying? On what she got going on. Y'all see her on what she got going on, man. As far as, man, what she do and if she in the Jeep or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. I'm still on the fence about doing my cigars on the channel because I just, you know what I'm saying? Like I don't really know how to put it. I don't really know how to put it, man. I'm gonna put it like this. When I start to put cigars on the channel, man, probably won't have no names on them or nothing like that. So they're gonna have to reach out to me. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna have to reach out to me and see what's what. You know what I'm saying? So we can go ahead and get that right there popping, man. So cigars is still in the works, man, as far as doing that. But yeah. Also, what else? I don't know. But anyway, that being said, man, I'm about to go ahead and get off of here, man. Go in the house and ironically, I'm about to go in the house and do some YouTube stuff, man. YouTube business. Get some videos ready for in the morning for both channels. So yeah, I'm gonna holler at y'all in a quick second, man. If anything transpired today, man, I'm gonna pick the camera back up though. Cause Percy called me and said he planned on getting out today. He said it's too pretty to not get out today. So if he get out, I may get out. I don't know, but we don't know. He might pull up over here, man. I don't know. Ain't no telling what I might do. Sipping there right now. But yeah, holla at y'all in a minute, man.